Is Price Drop Club a scam, or is it the real deal for 2026? Let's break it down. First off, Price Drop Club isn't some shady online shop with sketchy checkout screens. It's actually a deal-finding site. Think of it as your personal bargain-hunting sidekick, except it never sleeps. Here's how it works. Price Drop Club scours the internet, mostly Amazon, for legit discounts, clearance sales, and promo codes. You'll spot everything from kitchen gadgets to baby gear getting slashed in price, sometimes by half. And when you click their link and score a deal, Price Drop Club earns a small commission from Amazon. That's affiliate marketing. You save money and they make a little too. No tricks, no hidden fees. But here's what matters. You're never forced to buy anything. You hop in, browse deals, and leave whenever you want. No credit card? No problem. That's one of the big signs this isn't a scam. Nobody's asking for your cash upfront. Still, it's not perfect. Unlike bigger apps, Price Drop Club doesn't have a ton of reviews on Trustpilot or big-name sites. And don't get it twisted with sites that have similar names. Some of those have pretty bad reps. One heads up. Price Drop Club might track your browsing to recommend better deals. For most, that's a fair price for saving cash, but it's something to know. So, is Price Drop Club a scam? Nope. It's a legit affiliate-powered deal group. As long as you double-check you're buying directly from real retailers like Amazon, you're good.